The FIFA World Cup is one of the biggest sporting events in the world, and by 2026 it's expected to be even larger, with more teams, more matches, and more betting markets than ever before. Sportsbooks like BetRivers Sportsbook are platforms where adults can legally place wagers on different outcomes in sports events, including football matches. The idea is not just about guessing who wins, but about analysing probabilities, understanding odds, and choosing from a wide range of possible outcomes offered by the sportsbook. To begin understanding how someone would use a platform like BetRivers Sportsbook for World Cup betting, you first need to understand what the platform actually is. BetRivers is an online sportsbook where users create accounts, verify their identity, and then, if they are of legal age and in a region where betting is allowed, they can deposit funds and place bets on sports events. Everything is structured around odds, which represent the probability of an outcome happening and how much a successful wager could potentially return. When it comes to the FIFA World Cup, sportsbooks don't just offer one type of bet, they offer hundreds of different markets. The most basic and common one is the match winner market, sometimes called the 1x2 market. In this type of bet, you simply choose which team you think will win a specific match, or whether the match will end in a draw during regular time. The odds attached to each team reflect how likely the sportsbook thinks that outcome is. A stronger team, like Brazil, France, or England, might have lower odds because they are more likely to win, while an underdog team would have higher odds because they are considered less likely to win but would pay more if they do. Another major category is goal-based betting. This includes things like over and under bets, where you are not picking a winner but instead predicting the total number of goals scored in a match. For example, a sportsbook might set a line at 2.5 goals. If you choose over, you are betting that the match will have 3 or more goals. If you choose under, you're betting there will be 2 goals or fewer. This type of betting is popular because it doesn't depend on who wins the match, just how the game flows in terms of scoring. There are also more advanced markets, like correct score betting, where you try to predict the exact final score of a match. This is much harder to get right, but the potential payouts are usually much higher because the probability is lower. For example, predicting a 2-1 result in a World Cup knockout game requires understanding both teams' attacking and defensive strengths, as well as how cautious they might be in a high-pressure tournament setting. As the World Cup progresses, sportsbooks like BetRivers also offer outright winner markets. This is where you place a bet on which national team will win the entire tournament before or during the competition. These odds change over time depending on performance. If a team starts winning convincingly, their odds shorten, meaning the potential payout decreases because they are now seen as more likely to win. If a strong team struggles early, their odds might increase, making them more attractive as a long-term bet, at least from a probability perspective. Another important aspect is live betting, also known as in-play betting. This is where things become very dynamic. Once a match has started, odds constantly change based on what is happening on the pitch. If a team scores early, their odds of winning will usually drop significantly, while the opposing team's odds will increase. Live betting allows users to react to the flow of the game in real time, but it also requires quick thinking and strong discipline, because odds can shift very rapidly within seconds. On a platform like BetRivers Sportsbook, the process typically begins with account creation. Users would normally sign up, verify their identity, and confirm they meet the legal age requirement, which in most regulated regions is 21 and above. After that, they would fund their account using available deposit methods, such as bank transfers, cards, or digital payment options depending on the country. Once funds are available, they can browse the sports section, select football, and then navigate to FIFA World Cup markets once the tournament is active. Inside the World Cup section, users will see a list of matches grouped by stage, such as group stage games, round of 16, quarterfinals, semi-finals, and the final. Each match will have multiple betting options attached to it. The interface is designed so users can click on a match and immediately see all available markets, from simple win-lose-draw options to more detailed statistical bets like number of corners, cards, or first team to score. One thing experienced bettors often pay attention to is odds movement. Odds are not fixed, they change based on betting activity and new information. For example, if a key player gets injured before a match, the odds for that team might shift. Similarly, if a lot of people are betting on one side, the sportsbook might adjust odds to balance risk. Understanding how odds move is a big part of understanding how sportsbooks manage risk. During the World Cup, group stage matches often behave differently compared to knockout matches. In group stages, teams might play more aggressively because goal difference matters, which can influence betting markets like over/under goals or both teams to score. In knockout stages, however, matches can become more cautious, especially in the early parts of the game, because a single mistake can end a team's tournament. This shift in playing style is something bettors often consider when evaluating potential outcomes. Another element commonly found on sportsbooks like BetRivers is prop betting, which refers to special bets that are not directly related to the final score. These can include things like which player will score first, whether a specific player will have a shot on target, or even how many cards will be issued in a match. Prop bets add variety and allow users to engage with specific moments in the game rather than just the final result. Some bettors also look at accumulators or parlays, where multiple bets are combined into one. For example, a user might pick several World Cup matches and predict the winners of each. If all selections are correct, the payout is much higher than betting on each match individually. However, the risk is also higher, because if even one selection is wrong, the entire bet is lost. This makes parlays both attractive and risky at the same time. While all of this may sound exciting, it is very important to understand the role of responsibility in sports betting. Platforms like BetRivers Sportsbook include responsible gambling tools, such as deposit limits, time limits, and self-exclusion options. These tools are designed to help users maintain control and avoid excessive betting behaviour. Betting should always be treated as entertainment, not a way to make guaranteed money, because the outcomes of sports events are unpredictable by nature. Another key concept is bankroll management, which simply means deciding in advance how much money you are willing to risk and sticking to that limit. Experienced users often avoid placing large portions of their bankroll on a single bet. Instead, they spread risk across multiple small bets. This is because even well-analysed predictions can fail due to unexpected events, like injuries, red cards, or last-minute tactical changes. As the 2026 FIFA World Cup approaches, interest in sportsbooks like BetRivers is expected to rise significantly, especially as fans look for more interactive ways to engage with matches. However, the core experience of the World Cup remains the same: world-class football, national pride, and unforgettable moments. Betting is only one small part of the wider entertainment ecosystem surrounding the tournament. In summary, using a platform like BetRivers Sportsbook for World Cup betting involves understanding how odds work, exploring different types of markets like match winner, over/under, correct score, and outright winner bets, and recognizing how live betting and prop bets add deeper layers of engagement. It also involves understanding risk, managing funds responsibly, and remembering that no prediction is ever guaranteed. The FIFA World Cup is ultimately about the game itself, the passion of fans, and the drama of international football. Betting platforms simply provide structured ways for eligible adults to engage with those matches in a different format. But the true value of the tournament is always in the football on the pitch, the moments that define history, and the emotion shared by millions of fans around the world.